sheets are? Who's going to teach them?
Me.
Amira? Amira, you want to? Amira.
Yes.
Yes, you're the first one raising your hand. So I made you presenter, darling. Show them where is the power, where is the Padlet wall is, and how they can open their task sheet. Please, everyone, focus on screen.
Okay, wait, ma'am. Now I'm here on ICT. We have to go to the general channel, and over here we'll find four more. You have to press on four more, and you'll see Padlet Gear 3. Press on Padlet Gear 3. You'll see every Padlet thing. Then on the Padlet you will see some task sheets which Miss has sent. You have to press on it, and then you have to do it.
Okay. Amira, it's down because the students are sending work, so that the reason it's going down. Can you just open? Yes. Amira, can you tell me which group you are in, darling?
I'm in Pascaline.
Okay, so can you please click on it? Okay, if this thing happened, then what you'll do, Amira?
I will reload the page.
Okay, either reload or on the top it's written open in a new window. You can click on this. There is always a solution for everything. Once you click on a new window, it will open it. The Padlet will get open on your browser. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, right now she needs to switch the screen to show you the browser. Otherwise, it's open on your Google. Okay. Thank you so very much, Amara. Such a good teacher you are. Thank you.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Welcome, darling. Okay, so what we are going to do now? Today, very, very interesting topic. Now, focus on screen. Muhammad Zarish, what happened? Why you are giving this look? What we are going to do is, I'm going to open my Flip Anim. Let me, sorry, so many files are. Flip Anim. I'll open this. Sorry, yeah. I will, can you, oh, you can't see my screen. Sorry, just 1 second. Yeah.
Ida,
Yes, darling.
it's Shifa. I'm seeing you that actually I had no to do that, but then when I would go to Padlet and then when I press Control V, it doesn't work. So I don't
Okay,
know.
I will help you, darling. Let me start with others. So when everyone is working with their work, then I'll come back to you. Is it okay? Makes sense, no? Okay? Okay. Now, this is everyone can see my screen?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
see. Okay, perfect. So
Yes.
this, when you click on your screen, when you click on the link, this will appear. This is the same thing. Can you tell me what this button will do?
To delete the whole flip trick thing.
Very good. What
Not
this button will do?
this will add a page.
Add a page. What this will do?
Save. Save.
Perfect. Yay, everyone
Like
knows.
a full
Now
button.
this time, very good. Now this time what I have done, I have on the top, there is a register button even. If you want to register, you can do it. Then your work will get saved by. So what I have done on the top, there is a register button is there. When you click, as you can see, I already have registered there. So when you click on register, it will say, it will ask you to give your name. You can give your nickname, any nickname. See, I'm giving a nickname, and then you can use, they will ask you to put the Ahmed, can you please put yourself on mute, darling? It will ask you to enter the password you will enter, and then you can enter inside here. Now once you enter, you'll click on this pencil sign, the same screen will get open. This time, this screen we used last time. This time we are going to try the new version. Below only it's written click out new beta editor. I'll click on this. See, this is very easy to use because all the tools bar are coming on my sides. It will be easier for me. Earlier it was below, then I have to click and then I go and then I'll do it. But this time I will click on the new edition. When I open in the new edition, everything is on my same main screen only. Okay. So what we are going to do is now I'll start with the new one. You know, this is a pencil eraser filler we did in the last class. Now, this is the one which are having magic things. These are the selection tools. These four-sided arrows, two-sided arrows, and rotation sides. This will do the magic. We will focus on these three tools. This is having magic. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll try to make a smiley. Either I can use a pencil and draw, but I'm not good in this, so I'll undo it. I'll do a technique. I'll change the thickness of my pen. Can you see this? This is the thickness. Oh, I did undo. Yeah. So
Did
I'll
that
take
too?
this and then I'll take any color I want. I'll take a purple color and I'll put a tick here. See, the circle is there. I just put a dot there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these magic things. The two-sided arrow, this will help to stretch. I'll click on this and then I'll click on the circle and I'll drag it. I can make it as bigger as I want, as tiny. I can play with this tool. I can manipulate. I need this much. Okay, perfect. Now I want to move this, but when I try to move it, it won't. Do you know why? Because I had still selected this one. I need to change the tool. If I want to move this circle, I'll click on the four-sided arrow and then I can move it any way I want. You need to be a little careful which tool you are using. I want to draw I want to make eyes and nose, so I'll click back on a pencil. I'll take a color. I make a thickness small because I don't want big, big eyes. Small dot, and a smiley. That's it. Done. My image is done. So I want to select. Anyone tell me? I want to select this smiley. Which button I'll press? Anyone remember?
Control C.
No, see, I want to select. These are the magic buttons. Which one is used for selection? Giving a clue. In this area, only three buttons are there to use.
The red. The
Red
green.
or green?
The
Green one.
green button. Green button.
Yay! Yes, the
The
green
green
one.
button.
Perfect. The green one will help me to move. The blue one make me to stretch or squeeze. And the red one will help me to rotate. Okay, these are the functions. Now, I'll use the green one. I'll bring it down here. I'll show a little bit of animation. Now, I want a copy of this. I will press plus or plus with two pages. Which
Plus
one
with
I'll
two
click?
pages. Plus with two pages.
Yay! Oh, have geniuses, huh? So I'll click on plus on two pages. So you can see second page appear and my I got on the second page the same image. Make sure your green thing is selected and then move. Then plus pages and move. Plus two pages and move. Now, if you want to make it bigger or smaller, click on the blue selection tool, make it smaller, move, and then click on move, selection tool, copy. Now, if you want to rotate little bit, rotate. You want to play with the plate and then copy and then selection tool. Just careful which button you are pressing. To move, green. So move. To make a bigger size, which button?
Blue. Blue.
Blue. And
Blue.
yay, make it bigger. Copy. Move. Oh, what I did wrong? I want to move.
Made it too big.
I want to move.
Green.
Green. Yes, green. Then copy. I want to rotate. Which button? Quickly. Yay, red. Perfect. Copy. I want to move. Which button?
Green.
Perfect. Okay, done. I want to see how it is. Now I'll play this and I'll see. Okay, you can do it much better. I just want to show you how these tools can be used. Now,
Funny.
done. Yeah, but you can do. Okay, can you just put yourself on mute because when the voice will go very low when mics are on. Angela, put yourself on mute, darling.
Miss.
Okay. Samira, I will help you, darling. Let me start first. Now, who will tell me how to save and send it to me?
Miss, can I tell, please?
Yes, Aya, tell me.
Okay, there's a save button. Can you see that
This
save
one.
button?
Yes, I press. Then
Then you will tell upload. Put upload.
upload. Perfect. Then
I am not a robot. Tick.
you are not? Oh, thanks for telling me.
Yeah. But teacher, why does it say I'm not a robot? Now wait for a while. You have to wait for a
Then
while.
what I'll do? Upload. Yes. Then How you are
Then
going to send me this?
now can you see that where you wrote that emanation thing? That one? No.
Yes, on the top.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the top
This is a
down.
URL. What do you call it?
You
Link
are
or URL? Yes.
you
Now,
now control C.
okay, those who are saying the copy control C or control V is not working, you can just click here and then right mouse button, and there is an option of copy. Okay, now how you're going to send me on Padlet? Then, yes,
Go on the general. Go on
okay,
general.
I'll go in general. Sorry. Yes, general.
Then go in general. Then go in three more.
Okay, perfect.
Padlet 3E. Padlet
Okay.
E3.
Yes, then,
Now then go to plus sign. Then there's a plus sign.
yes, I clicked.
Wait, before you do the plus sign, go down to your group and check if you did everything.
Oh,
Then
yes. Okay, then.
write your name.
Hmm.
Then there's one. Then write your section also.
Okay, sorry. E. Yes.
Then they can you see that attachment sign?
Yes. Please. See, as some of the students had sent me here or here, don't send me like this. Please click on this chain or this oval, the link sign here. Perfect.
And
Yes, I.
Control V. Control V.
Okay. Control V, or again, those who are saying Control V is not working, mouse button, right mouse button, you will get an option and then you can paste it. Okay. And then done. It's there.
Miss, I'm on tab, so I can do it.
Yes, you can do it by holding on. You are asking for pasting or you are asking for what are you asking?
I'm asking for like I am